In this video, I'm going to teach you two different trading methods that no one has ever mentioned before. When you understand these two methods, that will completely change your approach in trading. Before we jump into charts, if you want to support my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video. Welcome to the investing guidelines. So when we are looking at a price chart, we always look at candlestick price chart because candlestick price chart gives us the most detailed price chart. And it gives us opening, closing, high and low of the price. But candlestick price chart can be deceiving sometimes. In our first method, I will show you how to reveal liquidity hunt that candlestick price chart doesn't show. For example, in this area, there is no obvious liquidity hunt before price makes its upside movement. But watch this. So when you go to upper section, right next to these time frames, there is candles. When you click on it, you can see we use candles. There are a bunch of other options, but in this method, we will use line. Line chart shows less detail and it's lacking narrative. But when you use line chart when it's necessary to catch liquidity hunt, there is no better tool than this. So I will click on this. As you can see here, price actually did take this liquidity. I will go back to candles. So as you can see, price made its low here, but this low wasn't taken in candlestick price chart. Normally when we are here, I would wait price to take this sell side liquidity, but in candlestick price chart it doesn't show that, so I would lose this trade. Price already took off from here. But when we go to line chart, price already took this previous low's liquidity and made a huge bounce from here. So let's see another example. So this is our Bitcoin price chart. Price was making lower highs and lower lows. You can see price created huge wick here. Usually these kind of wicks create confusion in traders because you don't know exactly if price will come down and take the low of this wick, or it will come halfway as here and bounce from here. And as you can see, after here price made a huge bounce. We went from 50,000 to 107,000. We already learned what to do. It's very simple. You will go to candles and you will choose line chart. As you can see, price actually did take this previous low's liquidity, then went up to $107,000. I will change again so that you can see clearly. As you can see in this candlestick price chart, there is no liquidity taken here. But when we go to line chart, it already took previous low's liquidity. Let's see another example. As you can see, here is our specific high. And after this high, price dropped almost 40%. When you look at the candlestick price chart, price didn't take the buy side liquidity here. But if you go to line chart, price already took this buy side liquidity here and made 40% drop. I will show you one more example. When you observe this high, price doesn't look like it took this previous high's liquidity. But go to line chart and you can see here, price slightly take this previous high's liquidity here, then went down. The second method I want to teach you is very simple and short. What I'm going to show you is not some trading concept or something that will give you trading setup. It is much better than that. It will help you develop your trading approach. So when we are analyzing price chart, we usually focus on longs or buy opportunities. Our expectation is always looking for where price can bounce. We usually don't train our brain the opposite way. So to avoid this situation, I need you to go to bottom right corner. There is an option as invert scale. When you click on it, price chart will turn upside down. So in this scale, if price goes up, actually it's going down. If price goes down, actually it's going up. You can also see the color of candles and here price increasing as we go down. For example here, if we were looking at a normal chart, like this one, maybe you could assume that price will continue to go up. But when you invert scale, I wouldn't short from here. So this gives me clarity and confirmation. When you feel stuck analyzing price chart, come to settings and invert scale. It will refresh your vision and make you decide more objectively. So I hope you enjoy this teaching. These two methods that I developed helped me a lot in my analysis. I suggest you go ahead and apply this to your analysis. I'm pretty sure it will be great help. If you have any comment or question, make sure share your thoughts in the comment section. I read all the comments and I would really appreciate your support if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.